Good afternoon, welcome back to S&B Diaries. Today we're in Willenhall Memorial Park, based in the West Midlands, and this little fellow was carved by a local artist. So we're going to have a wander around the park, and I do believe they're playing music in the bandstand this afternoon, so we'll go and have a little wander over and see what's happening. So if you'd like to follow me, we'll go this way. So through the trees we have the children's play area in the park. The building to the left of your picture is an activity hub where the locals come together. The weekends in the summertime they've got the ice cream van here selling ice cream for the children. And through the trees here goes down through to the silent and still garden. So we're just coming down in a few steps into the sensory garden. This area was planted a couple of years ago. It's a restful area, it's got some seats. I planted up the floral borders here on both sides. Built a designated bee house here on the left hand side of your picture for insects and bugs and things. And round just the other side of the willow tree here in front of you we have the bandstand, and there's music played here on Sunday afternoons throughout the month of August. We'll just have a little wander over.
What's the 80s, 60s?
60s. There's people here of all ages. There's people here of all ages.
Yes. It's got the music. I like it. It's been relaxing, isn't it? You want to dance? You want to dance, Simon? You want to dance?
No thanks.
Why no? Come on. Nice, it's someone dancing in the front of them, isn't it?
Yes.
The baku. The old. They're all men.
Yeah. Maybe they're a group.
Next week,
Salvation Army.
we're gonna do it.
Yeah.
this?
I do not know.
That's nice. At least it's not raining. It's not gonna rain.
Now the sun's come out now.
The whole August.
Yeah, every Sunday in August the sign said.
That's nice.
Finished.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it from us from the bandstand. We're going to have a little wander around to the other part of the park and come back to you in a bit, guys. So there are several statues and carvings around the park. This was one to commemorate the Poppy Day for the Salvation Army. And show you the center of it there. It's all done by hand, beautiful carving of wooden poppy on a plinth. There. We started off in the park with the owl, and this area was renowned for its key making in the late 18th, early 19th century. And there's also what's left of the Chubb factory in Wolverhampton. And we're going to be walking along this path now back to the children's play area. The sun's quite bright now. Sometimes they have a fun fair on the green that's coming into the view in the middle of your picture. They have events, sometimes they have like car shows here and firework, bonfire displays, and summer fates and that kind of thing.
Maybe because of the COVID.
This was built for the people. It's over 100 years old, the park. And we're going to turn left at the end of the hedge here. We'll just show you the exercise area through this beech hedge, through this little gap here in the hedge. Got some different kind of apparatus.
That's the bowling area now.
It's all quite fit, and there's the bowling green in front of you, just behind that plastic shelter. Okay, and we head out. And there's like a climbing area and some, instead of stepping stones, they've cut some logs of different sizes. Climbing net. Yes, climb up and down. No thank you, I've got my wrong footwear on. And then there's a grass grass circle in the centre of your picture. It's just some logs in the shape of like a circle, like a clock. No, yeah, it's all climbing on. Yes, there's Beth trying it out. Yes, that's the live willow arch.
Here I am.
There's Beth inside. And it comes out to some little stepping stones in the centre of your picture. Oh, Beth's trying it out. Oh, she's going for it. And two more. And we're going to head up these little flight of stairs.
That's nice. Nice for the kids.
A little bit of a mini adventure area for those that
I'll try that one.
aren't quite big enough for the Well, lots of people fishing today down on the lake. So another one of the carvings situated around the park. This time as a reptile on a wooden stake here, as you can see. Zoom in a bit for you. Nice bit of tree carving. Comes back round, and there must be a fishing match on today. This looks very busy. People fishing down by the lake. So here's a view of the football green. It's off one of them actually. This one looks out onto the houses, and here football's played during the winter months. It's also great for the dogs to run around. Beautiful peacock here on the Badlia. Oh, it's gone. So here we are on another football area. This area is on the back of the park. Great expanse. Sometimes they play cricket here. Goes all the way around. A guy in red top is playing football with his friend. Some more people playing in the centre of your picture there. Okay, thanks for watching today, guys. This is all from S&B Diaries little tour of Willenhall Memorial Park. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.